Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download money background music for free without any copyright problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Just open Google Chrome and search for Pixabay. Pixabay, insert this one. You see 5.8 million stunning free images to use anywhere. Not only images, it includes videos, audios, background music. Just click it. Here you see we have photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music. For example, I selected music. Good. You see, you can play. For example, I like this. Just I selected this one. You can select more if you want. Good. Just click download. Download to a location you want. For example, desktop. This one. That's you can change its name. I select this name. Default name. Save. Okay, here it explained that this track is registered with YouTube Content ID. Content ID is a digital fingerprint system developed by Google. It can be used by content creators to easily identify and manage copyrighted content on YouTube. Download license certificate. You can download license certificate if you want. Creators can use this track as a background for their videos. Good. Now let's see the track. I just downloaded it. Open its location. That's the track. You can play it if you want. Let me play it. That's all. Have a nice day.